Hello, welcome to Swing Yoga. Today, we are going to do a yogi sequence with animal poses to relax and stretch our hips and back, with butterfly pose, pincer pose, peacock pose, dove pose, swan pose, and mouse pose. Let's get started. I am a butterfly. I fly through the air from flower to flower. Sitting on the floor, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall down towards the ground. Gently raise and lower your knees. And off we fly. My breathing accompanies each beat of the wing. I am a pincer. Crabs open and close their pincers. We are going to imitate them with our body. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Breathe in and stretch your arms towards the ceiling. Then lower your arms and chest, closing the pincer. Open and close the pincer softly, breathing in and out. I am a peacock. The peacock shows off its feather and opens them out wide with all its magic and splendor. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Open your legs out as far as they will go. Lift your arms, stretching them out to the side of your body, following the line of your legs. Gently move your torso and your arms forwards and backwards. I am a dove. I breathe in peace and open out my hips and chest. While sitting, bend one leg and slide the other leg behind you until it is well stretched and with your foot on the ground. Your hands remain resting on the floor. Breathe in, opening out our chest and looking up towards the sky. I am a swan. Such a majestic bird teaches us to nurture our splendor. Begin face down on your stomach. Breathe in deeply, and at the same time, lift up your chest, supported by the strength in your arms. Then, bend your knees backwards. Try to touch your head with your feet. I am a beautiful swan, and I have a very long neck. I am a mouse. This cheeky little animal scampers hither and thither, but it also knows how to stay quiet and listen to its heartbeat. Sit on your heels, rest your chest on your thighs and your forehead on the floor, with your arms stretched out behind you, closing your eyes. Use this time to connect to your breathing and to listen to your heartbeat. I am grateful for today's practice. Place your hands on your chest, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Namaste. If you enjoyed the practice, subscribe to our channel for more yoga with us. Find the links to our store in the description. There, you will find our yogi products. See you soon. Swing Yoga.